Hello everyone, welcome to PO Talks. Today I'm going to start another new series called as Market Talks, in which we are going to discuss all the basics of the Indian stock market. So first let us define what is a stock market. A stock market is a place where buyers and sellers get together to buy the shares of a company, which is called as a stock market. So here there is a definition from Wikipedia. A stock market or an equity market or share market is the aggregation of buyers and sellers of stocks which represent ownership claims on businesses. This may include securities listed on a public stock exchange as well as stock that is only traded privately, such as shares of private companies which are sold to investors through equity crowdfunding platforms. Investment in the stock market is the most often done via stock brokerages and electronic trading platforms. Investment is usually made with an investment strategy in mind. So this is the definition of stock market, guys. So to make it very clear, so we all know what is vegetable market, right? So in vegetable market we trade money for vegetables, and in the same way we trade money for the shares in the company, for having a certain percentage in the company, that is called a share market. So I hope you understood what is the definition of stock market, and thank you and have a nice day.